Hello everybody, my name is Matt Smith. I'm the Director of National Accounts for GSG. Today I'd like to talk to you about a hot trend going that a lot of people are asking us about is they used to have neon signs for the interior of their stores and now they're wanting something else because neon's getting hard to find. This is our answer is what we call the faux neon or flex LED for interior. This is a very nice option that a lot of customers are using. All we need from the sign companies is a nice drawing on your artwork of what dimensions you want it to be and then what colors. As you can see from this chart here, this will show you the different colors we have to choose from. And the nice thing about it is the same color whether it's day or night, turned on or turned off. So with all this, all we need from you is a good drawing and then also whether or not you want the edges to be rounded, or you want them to be squares, you want them to be circles, or like the contour cut seems to be the most popular going right now. Usually clear plastic is the most popular. Black is a very nice option also. And we put some holes in there, allows you to hang it, but again, they're all for interior. So here's a good picture of one with Donald Duck. Does a very good job, shows you how intricate we can get with this. So if you have any questions, please contact myself or anybody at GSG and they'll be able to get you a quote on anything. And again, thank you very much for watching. And as always, please follow us on all the social media platforms. Thank you very much.